Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. I want to share my shea butter scrub recipe with you. If you are interested, please keep on watching. I started out by melting the shea butter and candelilla wax together. I put this over some hot water and used a double boiler system. If you do not have candelilla wax, you can also use beeswax for this recipe. I poured the melted butters in this container, and then I added a blend of oils. This blend of oils included olive oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil, and I'll have the exact measurements in the description box. So just go on and mix everything thoroughly. If you notice the mixture is starting to thicken up, that's because of the wax. I put this in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I moved on to the next step. This is what it's looking like. For this recipe, I'm going to also add some brown sugar, but before I do that, I'm going to whip the oil mixture first. I want to whip this up till it's a little bit fluffy, and then I'm going to add the sugar to the mixture. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are welcome. My name is Esther and I make DIY hair and skincare videos. If that's something you would enjoy watching, please go on and hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications bell so that way you know when I upload new videos. Thanks so much. After mixing, the texture was on the thinner and lighter side, so I went on and put it back in the freezer for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, all I did was continue mixing until I got the consistency that I was happy with. This is what it looks like after about 5 minutes of mixing. If you are happy with this texture, you can stop here and then just start adding your sugar. But I went on and I mixed for about 3 to 4 more minutes. This is the final consistency. It's light, it's fluffy. So now I'm going to start adding my sugar. It really depends on what consistency you're going for. I wanted a really thick scrub that I could use comfortably in the shower. So that's what I did. I'm going to add my preservative right now. I use the liquid Gemo Plus and I will have the measurement in the description box. For this recipe, I used a ratio of about 25% butter to about 65% sugar. So now I'm going to start adding the brown sugar. So once again, it depends on the consistency you want at the end of the day. I wanted something really thick, so I used quite a bit of brown sugar. But you can use much less sugar if you want a thinner consistency or thinner scrub. Brown sugar has antibacterial properties and is great for removing dry and dead skin cells. So I just kept mixing. Just play around with it till you find a consistency that works for you. But I use this scrub just for my body. I have sensitive skin, so I am very particular about what I use on my face. But this is gentle enough to use on your face if you choose to. But this is meant for to be used as a body scrub. If you are enjoying this video so far or you are finding it helpful, please subscribe if you haven't, and also don't forget to comment, like and share this video because that helps me out a lot. So this is what the final consistency looks like. It's really thick. Once again, you can make adjustments if you do not want yours as thick as this. Just use less sugar for the recipe. So this feels very moisturizing on the skin because of the shea butter and all the oils that were added. So it's really going to feel amazing on your skin. It's going to be great for exfoliating dead and dry skin cells. So I'm just going to empty this in my container. The recipe is enough for an 8-ounce jar. I'm just going to apply the scrub on my hand. It is pretty thick, so I put a small amount on my hand, and then I ended up adding just a little bit of water on my hand just to help with exfoliating. But it feels amazing. It feels good on the skin, so I hope you try it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you need help with the recipe. Just go on and reach out to me in the comments or in my email. But thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this useful, and I will see you in my next video. So until then, be well and take care. Bye bye.